this video will explain you how to get void check from TD app. First of all, you need to open your TD Bank mobile app and you need to log in using your username and password. After that, you need to tap on the checking account you want the voided check for. Then you need to find direct deposit info, so you need to look for options like direct deposit or account information. You might see under account services, or you can search for direct deposit form in the app. After that, you need to view or download the form. TD Bank usually provides a direct deposit form with your account number, routing number, and bank's details. You can review, download, or print this form. It works just like a voided check. Print and write void. If someone specially asks for a voided check, just print the form and write void across it in big letters. So that's how you can get void check from TD app. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.